To perform the plank, come down to your forearms are touching the ground and your toes are behind you. Contract your core and use it to keep your body in a straight line from your shoulders to your toes. Do your best to hold this position without arching your back or pushing your butt up in the air. Breathe through the movement. And if you're having a hard time with this variation, come up on your hands. This is called an extended plank and reduces the load on your lower back, complete with good form through the duration of the movement. This exercise is a fundamental exercise called the plank. The plank teaches our core how to stabilize under our full body using gravity as the resistance. Let's get into it.